So students, in previous class we have completed up to your page number 73, no? This is 4th class large numbers. So we have completed up to page number 73. Okay, what is that? We have completed this Indian place value system for lakhs period we have seen. Okay, so let us see the example for this page number. Just a minute. So what is the page number? So page number 74. From page number 74 we will continue today's class. Okay, so here he has given some examples. What is that examples? A 6-digit number such as a 6-digit number such as 99,000 only? No, 9,96,342 is written as. So this is example regarding Indian place value system. Okay, Indian system. Okay, so this example is related to Indian system. We have seen the table now in previous class. For such type of table, this is the example. A 6-digit number such as this number is written as. How you will write? So we will separate with commas. Everyone knows that we will separate each period with commas. So in Indian system, yesterday we have seen that. So here in this page number 73, this table we have seen yesterday. So in ones period you are having three place values. In thousands period you are having 2 place values, 1,000, 10,000, and in lakhs period you are having lakhs, 10 lakhs. So in ones period you are having 3 place values, in thousands period you are having 2 place values, and in lakhs period you are having 2 place values. So you have to divide this number 996,342. Clear? So we have to divide this number, we have to separate each period with a comma. So we are coming from right to left. Always you have to separate with commas starting from right to left. So ones period will have 3 place values, no? 1, 2, 3. After 3 place values you have to 3 digits means 3 place values means 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits you have to put 1 comma in Indian system. In international system, for every 3 digits you have to put 1 comma because all the periods in that are having 3 place values. But here in ones period you are having 3 place values. Okay, so after 3 digits I put 1 comma in Indian system. In thousands period, next period you will get thousands period, no? In thousands period how many place values are there? In Indian system 2. So after 6 and 9 I am putting 1 more comma. So a 6-digit number such as this 6-digit number can be written as this. Okay, we are separating each period by comma. Here ones period is having 3 place values in Indian system. Okay, international system also ones period will have 3 place values. That's why after 3 digits I am putting 1 comma. After ones period will have thousands period, no? So in thousands period in Indian system we are having 2 place values. So after 2 place values I am putting 1 comma. So 9,96,342. So this number can be written as this by separating the periods with commas. Okay, you have to understand that. So next example, next question in this example, a 7-digit number such as. So here we are dividing each period according to the Indian system only. We did not enter into international system. After that we will enter. Okay, 7-digit number 6384291. 6384291 is written as written as, so 6384291. How can you separate this? After first three, starting from right to left, just a minute, starting from right to left, after 3 digits you are putting one comma. Why? Because ones period will have 3 digits, 3 place values. Next, after 2 digits you have to put one comma. So we have separated ones period, and next we have separated this thousands. So after that 2 periods we will have lakhs. So this number is 63,84,291. So if you understand the table very carefully, then you can put commas easily. So you have to once again revise this Indian place value system lakhs period, 73 page number. In previous class we discussed, no, that one you have to see once again to understand how to separate with commas a given number. Okay, so with this we have completed this example. So he has given a homework for you. In the pink color box he has given some questions. Let us solve them now. Okay, just a minute. So insert commas, according to Indian place value system. Insert commas according to Indian place value system. Just now we have seen 2 examples, no, like that only we have to insert commas, Indian place value system. Okay, so first one 165234, second one 5263108, okay, 165234, 5263108. So for this number is what, after we are separating with commas we will get to know the number. Okay, 165234, we will know the number name after we separate with commas. Okay, so Indian system, no, after first 3 digits we have to put one comma starting from right to left, because ones period will have 3 digits, no, so we have put one comma. In thousands period you will have 2 digits, 5 and 6. After that put one comma. What is the number? 1,65,234. Next one 5263108. So how to separate ones period? After 3 digits from right to left we have to put one comma. So how to separate thousands period? It will have 2 digits, 3 and 6. After that put one comma. So what is this number? 52,63,108. So we have inserted commas according to Indian place value system only. Okay, so next one international place value system. We are going to discuss about international place value system. Okay, in that he has given some examples. Okay, what is that? He gave a box, a table in which you will have up to millions. Okay, 6 and 7 digit numbers. So he has given up to millions period in the table. Okay, so let us see the table. This is a table. This is ones, this is thousands, this is millions. International system. Okay, so in every period, in each period you will have three place values in international system. So after every 3 digits you have to put one comma from right to left. It is very easy. But in Indian system, what you will have? In ones period you will have 3 digits, in thousands you will have 2, in lakhs also you will have 2 digits. So this one is very easy. For every 3 digits you have to put one comma from right to left. So in ones period what you will have? You will have ones, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. Clear? Next in thousands period you will have thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, next million, $10 million. So here also you will have one more digit that you will come to know in your next class, I think, in your further classes. Okay, these are the periods. Up to 10 million it is enough. Next you will get 100 million also in millions period only. That will be introduced to you later. Okay, so let us see. So here he has given some number below, 100,000. 100,000 means from 100,000, this is 100,000, you have to start from here, 100, 100,000 means 3 zeros. This is 100,000. Okay, next, this is a 6-digit number now. We are talking about 6 and 7-digit numbers now. So this is a 6-digit number, 100,000. Next you will get 1 million. 1 0 0 0 0 0. 1 million means from millions place you have to start. Okay, 1 million. Okay, like this you have to understand. Here this is a 6-digit number, 100,000. So we have started from 100,000 place value. Put 1 0 0 0 0 0. This is a 6-digit number. Next you will have 7-digit number. In millions place you have to put 1 because we are talking about 1 million now. Millions place put 1 0 0 0 0 0, all zeros. So this is a 7-digit number, 6-digit number. We have talked about 6 and 7-digit numbers. Okay, clear? So this one is completed. Next one, a 6-digit number. Here he has given example now. A 6-digit number such as 996342 is written as, according to international system, is written as, so for every 3 digits you have to put one comma. I said no, in international system starting from right to left, for every 3 digits you have to put one comma. So 1 2 3 comma. So this number is 996,342. Okay, next a 7-digit number. A 7-digit number such as 7-digit number such as 6384291 is written as how? So 6384 sorry 291. After 3 digits put 1 comma, after 3 digits put 1 comma. So 6,384,291. This is the number. Okay, so he has given one remembering point here. You have to see here. Remember. Point to remember. 1 crore. 1 crore means it is a 8-digit number. Is written as, how we can write this 1 crore? So this is the number, no? 8 digits. So how we can write this number in Indian system? In Indian system? In Indian system. So this we have to write this in Indian system. How we can write? After 3 digits put 1 comma, after 2 digits 1 comma, after 2 digits 1 comma. So this is ones place, ones period, thousands, lakhs, crores. In Indian system we can write like this. Okay, and in international system it can be written as how we can write this same number in international system. This is a 8-digit number, no? How you can write this? So after 3 digits 1 comma, after 3 digits 1 comma. So this can be written as like this. This is ones period, thousands period, this is millions period. This number is 10 million. Okay, so same number, it is represented differently in different systems. Okay, so this is the remembering point. You have to remember how to separate the commas for a given number in Indian system and in international system, which period will have how many digits in Indian system and international system. Once again you have to check the tables in page number 73 and 74. Clear? So if you check them, it will be very helpful. You have to understand them very clearly. So here he has given some examples. Indian place value chart. So I will explain this roughly without drawing that table. Okay, so he has given some number. How we will separate with commas? What is the number name? Okay, how we will separate it with commas? We will write. Okay, he has given the number 9012. So lakhs, thousands, and this is ones. Okay, this is 10 lakhs, lakhs, thousands, 10,000s, thousands. This is ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so which number he gave? 9012. 9012. This is a 4-digit number, no? So 1 2 3 4 9012. You have to write them according to the 4 digits. So 1 2 3 4. Count from here. You will get 4 digits now. Write the first digit under thousands. Like this you have to write. Okay. What is the number name? Next he gave number name also, no? Number name is what? 9012. Okay, this is the number name. This is the periods. Okay, this is the number. So if we separate with commas, how it will be in Indian system? We are talking about Indian system, no? So we have to separate it with commas. So it is having 4 digits. After first 3 digits from right to left, we have to put comma, because after ones period we will get thousands period, no? Ones period will have 3 digits in Indian system. After that put one comma. So this one is completed. Okay. Next one. This number is 9012. Okay. Next one. Next number is 24,678. 24,678. I am not telling the number name. Just you have to see which 8 comes in ones place. This is ones place. 7 comes in tens place. 7 comes in tens place. 6 comes in hundreds place. 4 comes in thousands place. 2 comes in 10,000s place. Completed, no? So 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 digits. Okay. So what is the number name? Just a minute. What is the number name? 24,678. 24,678. 2 4 6 7 8. How can you separate this with commas? So after first 3 digits you have to put comma here. Okay. So then you will get next 2 digits. 24,678. Okay. So this is we have written in the Indian place value system. So these 2 numbers we have completed now. So these 2 numbers we have completed. Next. One 6 4 3 1 6. So how many digits are there here? This 6 is in ones place. 1 is in tens place. 3 is in hundreds place. 4 is in thousands place. This 6 is in 10,000s place. 1 in lakhs place. So from left to right you have to start. From right to left you have to start. Okay. Reading we will start from how? Like this. From left to right. But placing it under the periods you have to do it like this. Means from right to left. Okay. However, we will write the number from left to right only. But if you are placing them under the periods, if you are writing the number normally, you will start from left to right only. But if you are placing them under the periods, you have to start from right to left. Okay. Here we are placing under the periods, no? To know which digit is under which period and which place value. For that you have to write like this. Okay. Next number name is 1,43,000 5 316. 1,43,316 can be written as 64,316, no? Sorry, 1,64,316. This can be written as, you have to separate them with commas. After first 3 digits 1 comma, after next 2 digits 1 comma. This is ones period, this is thousands period, and 1 will be in lakhs period. So you can write like that. Okay, so next number. So I have said 3. I said 3 examples I have said, no? So next 2 are for your homework. You have to do that. I will not say, because I have explained clearly how to write. So next 2 are for your homework. However, I will say that in the next class, but next 2 you have to understand, you have to write them. Okay, this last 2 numbers are for your homework. You have to write them in Indian place value system. Okay, next we will start from international place value system. Clear? So you have to write them on your own. This Indian place value chart, last 2 examples are for your homework. You have to do them. So with this, I have completed this Indian place value chart in page number 74. Next class we will continue from page number 75. Okay, clear? Thank you. You have to do the homework.